In a dense, green forest, there lived a lyrebird named Lyrus. Lyrus was known far and wide for his enchanting melodies, capable of mimicking all the sounds of the forest. One day, a curious fox named Flicker wandered into the forest. Flicker had never heard such beautiful music before and followed the sound to its source. Upon finding Lyrus, Flicker asked, "Who are you, and where does such a wonderful song come from?" Lyrus replied, "I am Lyrebird, and my song is a gift I have been given. I mimic the sounds of the forest to create my music." Flicker was amazed and asked Lyrus to teach him how to make such a beautiful song. Lyrus agreed and taught Flicker all the songs he knew. But soon, Flicker grew proud of his newfound ability and began to mimic other animals' songs, not just the sounds of the forest. He even started to sing his own songs, trying to outdo Lyrus. One day, a wise owl named Orion overheard Flicker's songs and realized that they were not truly his own. Orion approached Flicker and said, "Your songs are beautiful, but they are not original. You have stolen them from others and made them your own." Flicker felt ashamed and apologized to Lyrus and the other animals whose songs he had imitated. Lyrus forgave him, but warned Flicker not to let pride get the better of him. From that day on, Flicker realized the importance of originality and creativity. He learned that while imitation can be a valuable tool, it should never come at the expense of one's own creations. And so, the forest continued to thrive, with the enchanting melodies of Lyrus echoing through the trees, reminding everyone that true beauty comes from within. Moral asterisk: always strive to create your own unique and original work, rather than relying on imitation. True beauty comes from within, and originality is the key to lasting success.